You gotta push it, pull it.
Here.
Pull it. Can you take the camera, please, so I can help her out?
Give me this. Take your bullet. Is that how it's supposed to go? Yeah, buddy. Okay, ready? Hold this. Give me it. Okay.
2 for 2, so...
Oh, oops. I just put it like on.
Ooh, I feel like doing this.
Where's the line thing? I know, right? Okay, here, you want to do yours again? Yeah.
Oh!
Cock it. Yes. There you go. Okay. I'm aiming for the...
I'm next.
You're gonna aim for whatever.
Laser.
Wait, nope, you can't see the laser. It's on my face right now.
Oh, no.
Ready? I'm aiming for the air.
No. Why would you aim for the air?
Yeah! I don't know. End it.